Yo, in this video I am going to show you how you can access and use Nano Banana. If you don't know, or if you know, Nano Banana is the new amazing AI photo editing tool that outshines all other AI image generators with photo editing capabilities out there. So, are you excited? Let's go. Simply click the link in the description which will lead you to the website of lmarina.ai. It is really amazing. Without any login or sign up, we can already start. Click on Generate Images. Now click on the plus symbol to upload an image and choose one you want to edit. I will pick this one of Donald Trump. Now add a change in the prompt box in form of text and tell the AI what you want to see different. I will type, "Make him eat bananas." Now agree to the terms and let it generate. And as you can see on top, it says Battle, and you can also see that it is generating two versions. What this website basically is a website that lets you compare different AI image generator models, and you need to choose which output is the best, which one you like most. And you are doing the developers a huge favor in giving this data to them. And that is why you can use this service for free. When the generation is done, we can see here a result from Assistant A and one from Assistant B. Now we have the option to either press left is better, it's a tie, both are better, or right is better. After we've picked our preference, the actual names of the AI image generators will be revealed. I like the right one way better. It is cleaner and looks more realistic. And look at that. The right one was made by Nano Banana, and the left one was made by Flux One. Let's do this again, and this time we will give him a mustache. The generation time is always different. Sometimes it takes 17 seconds and sometimes 70 seconds. Okay, both look a bit bad and fake. Let's press, both are bad. And look at that, it was the Qwen and the Gemini 2.0 flash generator. Yes guys, that means that Nano Banana is not used every time. But no worries, we can simply reuse the same prompt and then we just hope for another Nano Banana generation. Okay, nice. I suspect the Nano Banana generation on the right. And voila, I was right, it looks way more realistic and the blonde mustache fits his hair color. Okay, next let's make him smile with a lot of fillers, Botox and overly white teeth. Haha, both of these look bad. Yeah, there was no Nano Banana in sight here. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, the left one is better. And yes, it is Nano Banana again. Now we pick this AI-generated image of Steve Jobs, and now we actually want to make him eat the apple. And by the way, guys, there is also a website going round that is called nanobanana.ai, but that is not the real Nano Banana, and they just want to take your money. Okay, now I'm going to add some music and you can enjoy the rest of me doing some image edits in speed mode. Have a lot of fun trying this Nano Banana out yourself and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.